The kindness of the Whispering Woods. Welcome to the sparkling heart of the Whispering Woods. The small human child, lost and weary, stumbles into the clearing. The royal guard, Pixie Wing, approaches with caution. The queen assesses the unexpected visitor. Leo manages a weak gesture of thanks. The queen commands her healer to attend to the boy. The healing magic begins to take effect. Pixie Wing prepares a restorative meal. Leo awakens fully, seeing the beauty around him. The time has come for the boy to return home. A final, thankful embrace. The gate closes, leaving Leo with his new treasure.